Hi guys, in this video I will show you 3 ways to turn off or restart the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This should also work out for the Samsung Galaxy S26 or the S26 Plus as well. So quickly, the first and easiest method to turn off or power off your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is to just long press on the power button and the volume down button. So just go ahead and long press on both buttons together until you see the power menu, which is over here, and now you can choose to either power off your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra by tapping on the power off button or restart it by tapping on the restart option. Another method to turn off your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is to just swipe down through the control center just like so, and you should be able to see the power icon at the top right corner. Just go ahead and tap on it, and again you'll be taken to this power menu where you can also choose to either power off or restart your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra by tapping on the restart option. The final method is to basically remap the power button. So basically by default, if you long press on the power button, it automatically opens up Gemini, which is not what we want. So if you want the button to actually turn off your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra instead of opening up Gemini, what you can do is to just go over to the control center, tap on the power off option, and then you're going to see the side button settings. Go ahead and select that. Now come over here that we have the digital assistance for long press. You want to select it and make sure it is set to power off option. Go ahead and select that, and now if you long press on the power button, just only on the power button over here, you will now be taken into the power menu where you can also choose to power off your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra by selecting on the power off option. And to turn it on again, you just have to long press on the power button and you're good to go. If this was helpful guys, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel.